Welcome to this video on Microsoft Copilot Studio, orchestrating intelligent agents. Microsoft Copilot Studio is a low-code, end-to-end platform that allows organizations to build, customize, and manage AI-powered copilots and agents tailored to their business needs. We are moving beyond traditional, scripted chatbots to the rise of reasoning AI agents. These new agents are generative, proactive, use natural language descriptions, and have M365 integration. It enables both technical and non-technical users to create intelligent assistants that can converse naturally, automate workflows, integrate with enterprise systems, and extend the capabilities of Microsoft 365 Copilot. An agent's anatomy includes triggers, such as events or natural language requests, knowledge, sourced from public or private data, topics for conversational paths, and actions, which use flows and APIs. The brain of the agent involves generative orchestration and instructions. The orchestrator analyzes intent, selects the right tool, and then executes the response. Instructions shape behavior with constraints, response format, and guidance. Optimization involves refining instructions. Moving from a weak instruction to a strong, detailed one improves agent behavior. Best practices include using action verbs, explicit tools, and defining fallbacks. Grounding the AI relies on knowledge management. Data from various sources is funneled through a generative answers node to provide grounded responses with citations. Key configuration includes restricting AI to company data only and using high-quality search descriptions. The hands of the agent are agent flows and automation. Copilot Studio triggers a cloud flow to receive input, perform actions, and return output. This enables triggering, conversion of existing flows, and end-to-end visibility. Advanced extensibility is achieved through Model Context Protocol, MCP, REST API actions, and no-code/low-code options, with over 1,200 pre-built connectors. Agents support multi-channel deployment, including Microsoft Teams, websites, mobile apps, Facebook/WhatsApp, and Microsoft 365 Copilot. You can write once and deploy anywhere, propagating updates instantly. The governance lifecycle is a 5-stage process, starting with discovery and planning, moving through architecture, build and integration, testing and deployment, and finally monitoring and optimization. Security and data loss prevention, DLP, are managed at 3 levels: tenant, environment, and agent. This includes message capacity, DLP policies, audit logs, and authentication. Licensing and capacity planning offer 3 purchasing models: pay-as-you-go, capacity packs, and a pre-purchase plan. Note that generative answers and agent flows consume credits based on complexity and actions executed. Use this strategic readiness checklist to ensure success. Start with a narrow scope, ground your AI in truth, and iterate based on analytics. Always start answering these questions before working on the real-world use cases. Real-world use cases include the IT service desk for troubleshooting and ticket creation, HR onboarding for policy FAQs and document collection, and sales enablement for product specs and CRM updates. With that, we come to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. See you in the next one.